think that was a minnow once again. Ooh.
I like the looks of that one.
That'll get your heart racing. Jeez Louise, dude. That was so sick. I hope I was recording for that. That was so cool. Yeah, on the draw, dude. Bam. Bam. I saw him come up and eat it. Hopper. Oh, he's got no spots.
I know, look at that back fin.
Yeah, that's an interesting color. Red right there. That's gorgeous. That's a different colored fish than we've caught up to this point. It's a pretty fish though.
Oh, it's deeper than that line.
Can you not? Okay, buddy. See ya. All right, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Hardman Fishing Adventures. Today, got the fly rod in hand with my buddy Micah once again. We are fly fishing. Tiny little creek here for little wild browns. Should be fun. I don't expect to catch anything huge. If I catch anything over like 14, 15 inches, I'm going to be astounded. So yeah, let's see how many we can catch, see what we can do. So sick. I hope I was recording for that. That was so cool. Oh my gosh, it took him a minute. He missed it. I didn't even feel the stupid thing. There we go.
Nice. Nice.
Oh, he's fighting.
Looks so much fun. Look at the glass. That's a nice fish.
Yeah, he's not bad. Come on back here, buddy. I bet that was the one that just hit the top water.
Yeah, probably. You know, he may have hit it multiple times. Look at that fight.
That's why you got these little glass rods, yeah. Shouts out Bomber for the little... Yeah, dude, I see you, dude. Oh.
Beautiful. Nicely done.
Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. You stuck in there?
Just a fish.
And I caught one at the back of the hole, so you still might have a chance up there at the top.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. That's what... Stop it. Buddy, I'm gonna let you go. Oh, he just came undone. Well, guys, he took the nymph again. Am I even... What am I looking at? There we go. He took the nymph, and he hit the grasshopper and missed it. I'm gonna let him go now. Bye, buddy. Where is he? What a cutie. So you catch a fish like that, that makes you happy on these little creeks with these rods?
Yeah. That strike was vicious on the
Oh, that first one? Yeah, man.
He's the exact color of the bottom of the stream.
Yeah, you can't see him, dude.
That's wild.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to bow cast. There's no way. Gotta do what you gotta do, man. Get off that, please. Hey!
Give you some space here. Make sure you have to set the hook first. You got a lot of trees around. We don't really have
I like obstacles. Yep. Go!
Nice strike! Oh, that was instant.
Instant, dude. As soon as it hit the water, the brown, he might hit it again. I don't think I hooked him. Let's find out. No, that was a minnow. He might be, he moved over to the right side. He might be on the right side now. No, he wasn't very big, but he's definitely a brown trout.
Oh, yeah.
Well, he has officially said, screw you, pal. There it is. The brown?
Yep.
Heck yeah. There it is.
It's not the same fish.
Is it not?
No, that's got a lot smaller than that other one. Awesome.
Heck yeah, brother.
Pretty guy, too.
I'm just glad he came back and hit it.
Yeah, same. That's at least someone gave me a fun time.
First fish you caught in a minute, isn't it?
It's the first brown I've caught in a minute, too.
I feel like I should cast in there, actually. Hold up that fish there real quick, if you can.
With or without the fly?
It doesn't matter. Whatever your heart desires.
He's a swimmer.
They all are. They don't like it. There we go, guys. Little brownie. Beautiful.
Beauty. My leader's around you.
Hold on, I'm gonna just do this. I'm gonna cast in here again. Oh, I just had a not trout hit that. I got one.
Hey.
Oh no, that was probably the other one.
Yeah, I think it was. Well, that was different.
Was it?
I swear,
It wasn't too much. It wasn't very big.
Yeah, it was almost the same size, but that was like the fish I caught was right there, and he was a little bit longer.
Well, I definitely hooked that one, so that's not.
I didn't catch that.
Well, this is awkward. I mean, I know there's so many browns in this hole too, so I think it's taking me off. I know you're in. Oh,
Nice
oh, 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 oh.
nice fish.
I didn't think I had a fish. Oh, oh, yes, dude. Oh, this is a nice one. How many casts did that take?
Like 100. Just goes to show. You're down the leader up.
Yeah, I know. Just don't want him to pop. He's still got a lot of energy left, I can tell.
Yeah.
All right, come on in. You're done now. No, you're not. Yeah, you are. Oh, no! Why? Oh! Dang it, man. Right when I was, like, I pulled him up to do the net and he popped. Well, that's depressing. That wasn't even Micah, the notorious net man's fault. That was just.
I was ready to redeem
I was just
myself.
unlucky. Yeah, it's crap. I had a feeling that might happen. That's why I wasn't rushing it.
Right.
Because I didn't know it was a fish, so I really did. I'll be honest, I didn't set the hook very well. I kind of just
everything right, and it's
I pulled.
off.
Yeah, I know. It's. I mean, I'm not like super upset about it. It wasn't huge.
That looked like a blast, though.
Oh yeah. I mean, how
How
does?
big do you think it was? Like 15 inches?
Yeah, 14, 15.
I got you.
Yeah, hold that.
I'm impressed by your full leader.
What do you mean? Why?
Like, it seems to like, I don't know, it makes like roll casts look a lot.
Yeah. That's why I got it.
Yeah.
Hold on. Restart. Man, daggone you stupid fish. Come on, big boy. Oh,
Oh, that was
dramatic. What a dramatic minnow, man.
like I said, people in England fish for cups, like big cups.
That like screw with my eyes so much. I thought it was a. Like,
I know exactly what you mean.
I thought my thing was going underneath the water from like a trout.
You never know.
I can't see the dang thing when it does that. Oh, I found the minnow's hideout spot.
There's got to be a big one.
Yeah, usually it used to be when I hooked them. They. Oops.
That's the trap.
It's a nice fish too.
Ooh,
Oh,
that is
nice, really nice fish. Do I have a?
I got two.
I have a chub now.
Yes.
I lost it.
Oh, dude, that chub got tackled.
Oh, it's a really nice
That's-
trout.
Yeah.
You were like, I wasn't looking at my line.
Come on, don't come off. Bud.
Please don't come off. I'm gonna play him.
Oh, nice fish, dude. Really nice.
I'm just gonna be really like this. Just gonna guide him slowly. Yeah, he's almost done. All right, I'm just gonna. Yeah. We get your point. This is the fish of the day. This is the fish of the day.
Worked so hard.
Come on, dude. We deserve this fish. All right, he's almost done. He's almost done, dude. He's almost done. He's tugging. Look at him, dude. Oh, this is all I got in me. I don't want to pull too much harder. All right, he's got to be done now. Come on.
You would think.
Go for it. Go for it.
Yes.
Yes, dude. Let's go. That's a nice fish.
Beautiful fish.
That is a stud. Oh, hey, but please don't go in the water. Don't go in the water, buddy. I love you. Don't go in the water. That was right over there. You're like, there's gotta be a fish in there.
Yeah, for real.
Guys, what a nice fish. How big is he out of curiosity? 8 and 8, 16.
Nice.
Stop it, buddy. Stop it. Stop it. He's sitting right over there. There's the rocks. It was so funny. I was sitting there not even looking, and you're like, and I looked back. I was like, oh, where's my stuff? And I just set the hook.
Bro, I thought you had 2 fish because that chub got
The chub did get.
He was like, wait.
There you go. Don't jump in, buddy. Also, don't spook the rest of the hole, buddy. Heck. What's that noise? Oh.
There's a dog.
He doesn't have very many spots either.
Yeah, he's an interesting fish.
Look at that, guys. He's got very. Oh, look, his head, his
He
fins
has no
cut.
spots.
Very little spots. That's an interesting looking fish. Here. Where I can get a nice underwater release. Where's the camera on this thing? Hey, Hardman Fishing Adventures. We like to have the best releases on television. Nothing but the best for my viewers. It's a good boy. It's a good boy. Doggo. Would it be a Hardman Fishing Adventures video if I didn't have a doggo in it? It's a good boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Good boy. He's our good luck charm because I didn't see a fish until I was looking at him. Love you, bud. Say hi.
The fact that he knows how to come out.
Yeah, it took him a minute. He went across the bridge down there. All right, what's up, guys? I hope you enjoyed that video. I was out with Micah, and I never shot an outro, so I'm doing it now. I'm sitting here with Andrew, who's tying streamers. So I'm gonna do some hand-tied streamer fishing episodes here in the future. But anyway, check out Bomber Fly Rods. I'll leave all their stuff linked in the description below. And yeah, it was an overall fun day. Caught a bunch of trout. A lot of them I didn't get on film because we were just fishing. Sometimes I just don't always press record because I'm really bad at YouTube. And yeah, I'll see you guys on another episode of Hardman Fishing Adventures.